Hello! Welcome to NOAA Library's 508 tutorial series. In this series, we've been covering 508 compliance requirements for items submitted to the NOAA Institutional Repository. In our last video, we went over adding tags to your document. Today, we'll be covering setting up the reading order of your document. The order of the tags is typically assigned by the auto-tagging feature in the previous step, or when the publication was converted to PDF from the original file type. So even if the page appears visually correct, the item's reading order might be out of order to those who are using the assistive technology. The reading order tool provides a quick way to check and fix the reading order of the tags within a document. To access the reading order panel, you'll go to the All Tools menu and then use Prepare for Accessibility. Once within this menu, you'll navigate down to Fix Reading Order. Clicking this brings up the Reading Order dialog box. You will need to make sure that the Reading Order dialog box you've selected has Show Page Content Groups selected, and that page order content is selected from these radial buttons. Toggling between that and structure type will change between the reading order of the tags and the structure type of the tags. From there, you'll be able to see the numerical value assigned to each of the tags, which tells you which order they will be read in. If the content is out of order, you'll need to reorder them using the Order panel. To access the Order panel, you can either click this button, Show Order Panel, or use this Z Order button along the right-hand side of your page. If it's not available to you natively, you can right-click on a blank spot on the menu bar and select it here. You can click on a tag in the Order panel, and it will jump you to where that tag is in the document. To reorder tags, you can drag and drop them into the correct reading order. So in this instance, if we wanted this figure which is currently number 7 to be the first item read on the page, we would drag the tag all the way to the top. And now you can see it is appropriately represented here, whereas this should be at the bottom, and we will drag that down here. As mentioned in our previous video about tags, generally pages are read from left to right and top to bottom. You want the reading order in your document to reflect how it would naturally read. And now our tags are all being read in the order that they appear on the publication. If you have columns in your document, you need to make sure that those are ordered correctly. Oftentimes, auto-tagging feature in Adobe Acrobat will struggle to appropriately assign the correct reading order when using columns. Additionally, for pages that contain captions, you'll want to make sure that those are adjacent to the figures that they describe. Whether they come before or after the figure doesn't really matter, just as long as they're read in proximate order with the figure that they're describing. So in this specific instance, the caption being tag number 5 and the figure being tag 8 are not in the correct order. So we would move the figure close to the caption, either above or below it. You can also select and move multiple items as well as needed. You can do that holding down the control button while you're selecting things with the mouse, and then you can drag things to the appropriate order. And that is all for reading order. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video on alternate text.